Welcome to the Mind Body Connection podcast, where we dive deep into intricate relationship between our mental and physical well-being. I'm your host Vanshika, and in today's episode we unreveal the mysteries behind how our thoughts, emotions, and physical health. Our journey begins by understanding the profound impact on our minds on our bodies. Research has shown that our thoughts and emotions can directly influence our physical health, from our immune system to our cardiovascular health. To shed light on this fascinating topic, we are joined by our guest Khushi and Mehak. Welcome.
Thank you for having us, Avanshika. It's a pleasure to be here.
Khushi, could you elaborate on how our mental state affects our physical well-being?
Sure. Our thoughts and emotions produce biochemical reactions in the body, triggering the release of hormones and neurotransmitters that can either promote health or contribute to disease. For example, chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Conversely, positive emotions like gratitude and joy can boost our immune function and overall vitality.
Fascinating. So, it seems that cultivating a positive mindset can have tangible benefits for our physical health. But how can we harness this mind body connection to enhance our well being?
One powerful technique is mindfulness meditation, which involves bringing awareness to the present moment without judgment. Studies have shown that regular mindfulness practice can reduce stress, alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and even lower blood pressure. By training our minds to focus on the present, we can better regulate our emotions and support our physical health.
That's incredible. It's empowering to know that we have the ability to positively influence our mind through practices like mindfulness. Are there any other strategies you recommend for nourishing the mind body connection?
Another key aspect is the importance of self care. This includes prioritizing activities that promote relaxation and stress reduction, such as exercise, adequate sleep, and spending time in nature. Additionally, fostering strong social connections and seeking support from others can provide a sense of belonging and emotional resilience.
I would encourage everyone to approach their health holistically, recognizing the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. By nurturing all aspects of ourselves, we can cultivate a greater sense of well being and vitality. Remember, you have the power to shape your health and happiness from the inside out.
Okay, so Mehak, can you also tell our readers how does the mind body connection impact overall health and well being? And what are some practical strategies individual can use to cultivate a stronger connection between their mental and physical states?
Absolutely. The mind body connection plays a crucial role in overall health and well being. It's the integrate relationship between thoughts, emotions, and physical health. When one aspect is out of balance, it can affect the other, leading to various health issues. Stress, for example, can manifest both mentally and physically. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, disrupt sleep patterns, and contribute to the development of conditions like hypertension and depression. Conversely, physical alignments such as chronic pain can also impact mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, or decreased quality of life. Cultivating a strong mind body connection involves several practical strategies. For example, mindfulness practices. These practices promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve overall well being. Regular exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters and can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Healthy eating habits. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains nourishes both the body and the mind. Adequate sleep. Establishing a consistent sleep routine and creating a restful sleep environment can promote better sleep hygiene. Social support. Connecting with friends, family, or support groups can provide emotional support, reduce feelings of isolation, and improve overall well being. Stress management techniques. Practicing stress management techniques such as time management, setting boundaries, and seeking professional support when needed can help individuals cope with stress more effectively and maintain a healthier mind body balance. By incorporating these practical strategies into daily life, individuals can cultivate a stronger mind body connection, leading to improved overall health and well being.
Okay, so can you also discuss some scientific evidence supporting the mind body connection and its role in managing conditions such as chronic pain, stress, and anxiety? Additionally, how can listeners integrate this understanding into their daily lives to improve their health outcomes?
Sure, Vanchika. So, science has shown that our minds and bodies are like BFFs. They're super connected, and what goes on in one can totally affect the other. Take chronic pain, for example. Stress and anxiety can crank up the volume on pain, making it feel worse. But practices like mindfulness, meditation, and yoga can help chill out the mind and ease the pain. Now, on to stress and anxiety. They are like the evil twins, wreaking havoc on our well being. But guess what? Mind body techniques like deep breathing exercises or even just going for a walk in nature can help dial down the stress and anxiety levels.
So, how can you weave this mind body magic into your daily routine?
Start small. Maybe try setting aside a few minutes each day for meditation or deep breathing, or swap out that Netflix binge for a yoga session a couple times of a week. And don't forget to sprinkle in some self care activities like taking a bubble bath and chatting with a friend. The key is to find what works for you and stick with it. Over time, you'll notice the benefits: less pain, lower stress, and a happier, healthier you. So, why not give it a shot? Your mind and body will thank you for it.
Thank you for sharing your valuable insights on the mind body connection. Wise words indeed. Thank you once again, Mehak and Khushi, for joining us today, and to our listeners. Thank you for tuning in to the Mind Body Connection podcast. Remember to take care of yourselves, both mentally and physically. Until next time, stay well.